Now that you've got your prompts refined, now it's time to talk about how do we implement them. And some tips when it comes to implementation. Make sure that you're testing prompts across different document variations. Testing across variations is very important because documents are like snowflakes. They are very annoyingly unique. And you need to make sure that you've covered your broad spectrum of use cases that will be fed into your AI-based system. I also highly recommend that you create prompt libraries for different document types. What works for one particular document, let's say you're analyzing an invoice, might not work for a quarterly business statement, right? So we need to make sure that we are cataloging our prompts, but also putting them in a place where we don't forget what we've tried before. And this is just a best practice that gets you in the right mindset for adapting new types very quickly. Use AWS CloudWatch to monitor extraction accuracy by using prompt version. So make sure that you're using CloudWatch to collect custom metrics. You want to monitor everything because trust is good, but verification is better. And make sure that you're including the prompt version in your metrics. That way you can clearly differentiate, okay, one prompt worked somewhat well, this prompt worked very well, right? We need to make sure that we can quantify our data back to the metrics itself. Consider dynamic prompt generation based on document characteristics. This one's pretty self-explanatory. Not all prompts are created equal. Some will be static, and some you might actually want to extract portions of a document before processing the rest of it. Kind of like the multi-layer extraction technique. First, find the section you need, make sure you've got the information before you process sections below. Think of it as like a tax form for the IRS. A lot of times you have to fill out a little worksheet and then you can move on to the next step and you have to use values from the first worksheet. This is a similar process here.